In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock GitHub profile achievements. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just getting started with coding, earning achievements on your GitHub profile can be a fun and rewarding way to showcase your contributions and skills. So, let's dive into the process and discover how you can unlock these achievements with just a few steps. First, you'll want to open up your GitHub profile. Head over to GitHub and sign in if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, navigate to your profile page. This is where all the magic will happen. As you scroll down your profile page, keep an eye out for the section labeled Achievements. This is where any earned badges will be displayed. It's a great visual representation of your hard work and dedication on GitHub. Now, to see more about any specific achievement, simply click on any badge you find interesting. This will reveal the details about the achievement and how it was unlocked. It's a useful feature if you're curious about the criteria or milestones that led to earning that badge. One of the common achievements you can earn on GitHub is the Pull Shark badge. This badge is awarded to those who have successfully merged a pull request. To unlock it, you'll need to either fork someone else's repository or contribute to an existing one. Start by creating a new branch in the repository where you'd like to contribute. Make any necessary changes or improvements in this branch. Once you've finalized your changes, submit a pull request, commonly known as a PR. The final step, of course, is getting your pull request merged into the main branch of the repository. Once that happens, the Pull Shark badge is yours. Remember, the more pull requests you get merged, the more advanced levels of this badge you unlock, so keep contributing and merging those PRs. Another achievement you might want to add to your collection is the Quick Draw badge. This one is a bit of a race against time and is all about speed. To earn the Quick Draw achievement, you need to open an issue or a pull request and then close it very quickly after it's been opened. It's a straightforward process. First, go ahead and open an issue or a pull request. As soon as that's done, swiftly close it within a matter of minutes. This badge can be a bit tricky since timing is key, but with quick reflexes, you'll be able to add this to your profile with ease. There you have it, a simple and effective guide to unlocking some of the exciting achievements on your GitHub profile. Take this knowledge along with you and have fun as you explore more ways to engage with the GitHub community through these interactive and rewarding features. Keep coding and watch your profile grow with these badges. Happy coding!